today's valet is the Audi RS3. This has previously received a paint correction and ceramic coating from us. Probably now about 18 months ago. Might be 12 months, not too sure. The paintwork's in very good condition. It's quite an unusual colour. It's one of our favourite colours. It's phantom black, so in the shade it looks like an ordinary black car. When it's out in the sun it changes from purple to green depending on which angle you look at it. So if we're lucky enough, the sun's out, so we may be able to get some good shots of the colour change on it. We've rinsed off the first snow foam, but today, because of the temperature, we've put another snow foam over it. One, because it will reflect the sun from the car, and it will also cool the car down and actually cool the paintwork and the metal bodywork, so it'll give us a longer working time, so we're not having to rush around on a hot car. Few little smudges on the lens. Hold up. Oh, I think I made it worse. A few little smudges to get rid of. Fresh new cloth and a little bit of water to wash.